In a small European village, there were wide mustard fields that turned golden every spring. Stone houses stood quietly beside narrow roads. Life was slow. Life was simple. In this village lived a young man named Lucas. Lucas was kind, but very quiet. He did not speak much. He did not laugh loudly like others. People often said, "Lucas is weak. Lucas is slow. Lucas will never become anything." Lucas heard these words every day, and slowly, he started believing them. Lucas lived with his father, Henry, and his younger sister, Elena. Henry was an old man with a long white beard, calm eyes, and rough hands from years of farm work. He rarely spoke, but when he did, his words were gentle. Elena was cheerful. She believed in Lucas even when no one else did. But Lucas did not believe in himself. Every morning, he helped his father in the mustard fields. And every morning, he felt he was doing everything wrong. One day, Lucas dropped a basket of seeds. Another day, he forgot to close the gate. Villagers shook their heads. "Henry's son is useless," someone whispered. Lucas felt heavy inside. That night, he sat alone near the edge of the field. The wind moved the yellow flowers softly. Lucas whispered to himself, "I am broken. I am a problem. Everyone would be better without me." His hands trembled. A few days later, the village elder announced something important. A long walking path near the mustard fields was dry and cracked. No plants were growing there. The elder said, "We must bring life back to this path." Everyone was given a task. Strong men were given heavy tools. Smart men were asked to plan. Lucas was handed an old metal water can. It had a small crack on one side. People laughed. "Perfect for Lucas," someone said. Lucas looked at the water can. It leaked slowly, just like him. Every morning, Lucas filled the water can and walked the path. Water leaked with every step. By the time he reached the end, half the water was gone. People watched and smiled. "See, he can't even carry water." Lucas wanted to stop, but his father Henry watched quietly from the field. He said nothing. He only nodded once. So Lucas continued. After many days, Elena ran to Lucas. "Lucas, come and see." Lucas followed her. Along the sides of the path, small green plants were growing. Tiny yellow flowers appeared between stones, not at the end of the path, but all along the way. Lucas was confused. The village elder came closer and smiled. The elder said, "Lucas, do you know why this happened?" Lucas shook his head. The elder pointed at the cracked water can. "Because of this." Lucas looked down. "But it is broken," he said softly. The elder replied, "Yes, and because it is broken, life grew everywhere." People became silent. That evening, Lucas walked home with his father. Henry stopped near the mustard field. He placed his hand on Lucas's shoulder. "My son," he said, "you always thought your weakness was your shame." Henry looked at the golden fields, but the land drinks water slowly, and so do people. Lucas felt tears in his eyes. From that day, Lucas stopped hating himself. He still made mistakes. He was still quiet. He was still slow. But now he understood something important. Sparkles, he was not useless. Sparkles, he was different. Sparkles and different does not mean broken. The villagers slowly changed too. They saw the flowers. They walked the path. They stopped laughing. Years passed. The path became green and alive. Children played there. Travelers rested there. Lucas grew older. He helped others who felt weak. He listened more than he spoke, and people trusted him because he understood pain. If you are watching this right now and thinking, I am not good enough, I am behind in life, I am broken, listen carefully. Blossom, you are not broken. Blossom, you are not useless. Blossom, you are not a mistake. Your weaknesses are not empty. They are feeding something beautiful, even if you cannot see it yet. The world does not need perfect people. It needs honest ones. And sometimes, the cracked ones grow the most life.